cut right in the middle, and I don't want to be afraid of anything. I feel the bone, I feel the socket. I thought socket. But there is
Cartilage?
Cartilage, yes. And you want gently to push your knife in from the corner and just work it down. And as I go down, there is no wishbone, so I can just separate it, and it's done. It's separate. It's all taken off. And all what you want to do is to come from this corner, if you see it, and if you go where the rope is, and just work it down, along the rope, you'll take your breast fully out of the body of the chicken, without having a whole war before you're serving it. The breast, and we have little fillets left here, but I will use it also.